Guys, if you want to go for Ethereum perpetual, this is line you can draw here, and if price goes down this level, this support, if the support is breaking down, then you can put your amount here for the long. If this break down, then this support will be your another entry point. Okay, and if this break down, then this last one is your bigger entry point. Okay, keep this in mind, guys. Perpetual for Ethereum is very in a good conditions, and please subscribe my channel for further notifications for further video. Thank you.